Unlocking the secrets, mind-blowing smartphone hacks you never knew existed. These smartphone hacks will help users uncover hidden features and maximize the functionality of their devices. 1. Use your smartphone as a digital magnifying glass to read small text or examine tiny details. 2. Enable battery-saving mode to extend your phone's battery life. 3. Use voice commands to navigate and control your smartphone hands-free. 4. Utilize the Do Not Disturb feature to minimize interruptions during important meetings or when you need some peace and quiet. 5. Customize your phone's home screen by rearranging app icons and widgets. 6. Take screenshots by simultaneously pressing the power button and volume down button. 8. Set up gestures for quick access to commonly used features, such as double tapping to wake up your phone or drawing specific patterns to open specific apps. 9. Enable dark mode to reduce eye strain and save battery power on phones with OLED screens. 10. Use your smartphone as a remote control for compatible smart devices in your home. 11. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security and protection of your personal information. 12. Use the built-in dictionary feature to look up word definitions without leaving the app you're using. 13. Take advantage of the built-in screen recording feature to capture and share your phone's screen activity. 14. Set up app shortcuts for frequently used actions, such as calling a specific contact or navigating to a particular location. 15. Customize your phone's notification settings to prioritize important notifications and minimize distractions. 16. Utilize the Find My Phone feature to locate your device if it's lost or misplaced. 17. Use the guest mode feature to limit access to certain apps or content when lending your phone to someone else. 18. Enable data saver mode to reduce data usage while browsing the internet or using certain apps. 19. Utilize the smart lock feature to keep your phone unlocked when it's in a trusted location or connected to a trusted device. 20. Enable offline maps to access navigation even when you don't have an internet connection. 21. Use your phone's camera as a document scanner by taking a photo of documents and converting them into PDF files. 22. Set up automatic backups for your important data and files to avoid losing them in case of device failure or loss. 23. Use the built-in QR code scanner to quickly access website links or other encoded information. 24. Set up a secure lock screen pattern, PIN, or fingerprint authentication for added security. 25. Take advantage of gesture-based navigation to quickly switch between apps or access specific features without using the navigation buttons. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have explored an array of incredible smartphone hacks that you probably didn't know. These hidden gems have the potential to transform your smartphone experience and make your daily life more convenient and efficient. From optimizing battery life to utilizing advanced features, we have unlocked the secrets to maximizing the potential of your device.